We have emojis for everything now, and some have hidden meanings. And the message you want to send using these emojis might not be so innocent. I'm Komando. Let's start with the eggplant emoji. Maybe you're making an eggplant lasagna. Make sure that you say that. Sending an eggplant emoji alone means something naughty. Next, the emoji of a mermaid. It's cute, but there are people who send it because the mermaid is holding a fork. I'm sure you can figure out why that has a hidden meaning. Now, people with the Cancer astrological star sign have a reason to be careful. Your emoji looks like a certain sex position. And there are more emojis with hidden meanings. The rhinoceros emoji has a horn. The strawberry in the emoji is ripe. A camel has a hump in real life and on the emoji. And even the OK sign has a second meaning. This is why we can't have nice things. Want more tech smarts? GetTheCurrent.com. Exclusive links, news, and tips. It's free. You can see a sample and sign up now at GetTheCurrent.com. When data breaches and scams happen, you need to know fast. That's why I send out breaking news alerts you can get for free at Komando.com/subscribe.